Hi folks, how are you doing? This is Iqbal with SMCI Daily Analysis. In this video, we'll take a look at SMCI stock price movement for today. We'll try to make an assessment for the rest of the week using technical charts and fundamentals. Now, let's get started. On your screen, you see SMCI stock price movement for today. SMCI opened at 992. It made a high 1020. It made a low 949 and it closed at 960. That is 1.66% down. And after hours, it's already up 0.5%. Last 5 days, SMCI is up about 5.44%. Last 1 month, it's down 4.06%. And last 6 months, it's up already about 236%. You see the steep curve in last 6 months? So after reaching the all-time high, it could not sustain above 1100 level, right? It had to come down. So it made a correction about 15 to 20% from the all-time high already. So now, last few weeks, it was moving sideways, but yesterday it went up about 11%. You remember I showed you an Excel sheet yesterday and I did the comparative analysis to let you know that SMCI has the lowest forward PE ratio among other AI stocks. So there is some room for SMCI to go further up. So it was down today probably about 1.6%, but it makes sense because after making 11% high yesterday, it had to come down. But the good thing is it did not drop as much as other AI stocks dropped. Let's take a look. So now in this screen, I'm showing you other AI stocks as well. Take a look, Palantir. It's dropped about 2.6%. SoundHound dropped about 2.46%. AMD down about 5.78%. And SMCI, take a look, just 1.66%. Nvidia down 3.87%. Avago down 3.49%. So out of all these AI stocks, you see the minimal drop happened on SMCI. And that tells that SMCI is still underpriced compared with other AI stocks. Now let's take a look at technical charts and try to make an assessment for tomorrow. So I'm showing you 90-day hourly interval chart for SMCI and also I have MACD. So MACD at this point is above zero line. It's trying to build some momentum yesterday, but now it's trending down. But take a look, it did not go below zero line. So still positive momentum is there. So I'm guessing tomorrow or day after tomorrow, it can go further up. Now let's take a look at RSI. So RSI in the hourly interval chart is at 54. It's neither oversold nor overbought at this point. So it can go in either direction based on RSI. Now let's take a look at Fibonacci levels. Now I have Fibonacci levels starting from 0% to 100%. I selected 714 as my lowest point. Now you might have this question, why did I select 714 as my lowest point? I don't want to go into the reasoning in this video because that will make this video too big. You can ask this question in the comment section. I will explain you in the detail. Now, based on the Fibonacci levels, the next level of support was 906. It's already broken yesterday or day before yesterday. Right now, SMCI is at 965 and next resistance level is 1025. In my opinion, SMCI should try to test this resistance level sometime next week. It's 1025. The next support level after 966 was 906. So based on the technical charts, it looks to me that SMCI still has positive momentum and there's a chance that SMCI can go further up next week. Now let's take a look at Excel sheet and try to figure out where does SMCI stand compared with other AI stocks. I went over the sheet with you yesterday and I updated now the forward P ratio, the latest number for all of these AI stocks. So you see that SMCI right now is at 37.78. It's still not too high compared with other AI stocks. See that Palantir 66, AMD 50, Nvidia 36, close to SMCI, and Avago or Broadcom is still lower than 30. So this tells me that even if SMCI went up 11% yesterday, but its forward PE ratio is telling it's not too overpriced compared with other AI stocks. So this tells me that there's still some room for SMCI to go further up before the earnings. But in the short run, you might see some kind of headwinds on SMCI. But overall, I see before the earnings, it should trade around 1100. That's my perception. You may agree or disagree to my perception, no problem. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.